In today's fast-paced digital world, storytelling is more crucial than ever. With the rise of video content, capturing attention quickly is key. Let's break down how to craft a compelling story structure for your videos. First, the hook. You have just 5 seconds to grab attention. Pose a question or make an intriguing statement that makes viewers want to keep watching. Next, the body. This is where you deliver on your hook. Provide meaningful content that answers the question or explains the statement. Keep it genuine and purposeful to make a lasting impression. Finally, the ending. Leave your audience with something memorable. Use a powerful quote, ask a thought-provoking question, or include a clear call to action like and subscribe, or buy now. A strong structure helps your message shine. Review your past videos and see how you can improve.